Alright guys, so we're going to be putting on the quick release hub that I got off some guy for 40 bucks. I'm not going to be connecting the horn because I don't have the extension wires, but first I got to take off these 6 bolts. Gotta do this as light as possible without stripping it. So once I strip it, it's gonna be fucked. So this one's already getting tight. Fuck. Definitely stripped it a little bit on that. This one's stripped. Alright, so this one is stripped right now, so I'm just going to take off the other ones for now. Alright, this one's loose. I'm going to take off the horn. So far it's just that one bolt that I showed you that's stripped. So I gotta find a way to take that off. And I don't want to break it. I don't want to be missing one. It's gonna look really bad. Alright guys, so I just took the strip bolt off with the old trick, just putting duct tape over it to make it tighter. And that's how my hub looks, but I don't have the back cover on it because like I took off the SRS and it doesn't fit. It just looks worse than it is now. But like I tucked the wires in, so it's fine. So right now I'm gonna have to take off the regular hub and adjust it to the right a little bit, because when I put this on, the steering wheel is gonna be crooked. So I don't know if you can tell, but this hole right here is supposed to be straight up like that, but that's where my steering wheel is going to be pointing up. So I'm gonna have to move the top a little bit to the right like that. Right here, and I gotta make it line up to the top. It is as close as I can get. Fuck. Might as well leave it. Alright, so I fixed up the hub and made it straight, and I added this part of the quick release. Now I'm just gonna add this part on and then screw the steering wheel on. So it's on now. And then gotta get this part on. Get the wires through. Great, I stripped the fucking last bolt. I stripped like 4 of them. Now it's gonna be fucked taking them off. Alright, I'm not gonna mess with that, but yeah, that's how it is right now. Alright, so this is how it looks. I could take it off with one hand. There you go. Hit the camera though. It's blue. I know it doesn't match the thing. I'm just gonna put on my horn now, just so. There you go. And then I'm just gonna connect it so there's not gonna be any loose wiring. There's not even another connection for this, so what the fuck. Feels like it's a lot more towards me though. You know, I just gotta get used to putting this back in. There you go. Oh fuck. I locked it again. So yeah. There you have this cheap, probably eBay quick release. Actually, I don't know if it's eBay because it doesn't wobble like the other ones say. I don't know if you can hear that. It barely wobbles though, so that's pretty good for 40 bucks, so